Today, I'm going to introduce you to a widely used audio cable, the 3.5 millimeter audio cable. With its tiny yet sleek 3.5 millimeter connector, this cable is an ideal choice for connecting all sorts of audio devices, from smartphones, tablets, and laptops to speakers and headphones. Just plug in and enjoy the crystal clear audio. The 3.5 millimeter audio cable stands out in the audio connection world for its compact size, practicality, and excellent compatibility. Whether you're at home, or in the office, or outdoors, it'll deliver superior sound quality and convenient usage.
These bigoted boys are diggity dog. I have them like Miley Cyrus, clothes on, twerking in their bras and thongs.